From Munger, Bihar, and I've reached FIFO.
From Pune, Maharashtra. From Uttar Pradesh, India. From Maharashtra. From Chadgaon.
From Hyderabad, Telangana. From Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
From Dhule, Maharashtra.
From Palakkad, Kerala. From Andhra Pradesh.
From Muzaffarpur, Bihar.
From Uttar Pradesh, Bulandshahr.
From New Delhi.
From Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada.
From Kolkata, West Bengal.
From Pune, Bihar.
From Nagpur, Maharashtra.
From Hassan, Karnataka. I came from Delhi.
From Maharashtra.
From New Delhi,
I am from Bathinda, Punjab.
from Rupnagar, Punjab,
From Delhi. From Maharashtra, Mumbai.
from UP Bijnor.
From Punjab, Amritsar.
From Akola, Maharashtra. From Mumbai.
I was in Delhi
From Maharashtra.
for Amritsar, Punjab, from Jalandhar, Punjab, and I came here through Apex Overseas.
From Bangalore, Karnataka.
From Hyderabad, Telangana.
From Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. From Haryana, I have reached FIFO.
From Surat, Gujarat. From Jharkhand, and I reached FIFO.
I'm from Haryana, I've reached FIFO.
From Delhi.
From Madhya Pradesh, and I've reached FIFO.
From Kashmir, and I've reached FIFO.
From Bihar, I have reached FIFO.
From Gaya, Bihar.
From UP, and I've reached FIFO. From Varanasi, and I've reached FIFO. From Karnataka, Bangalore. From Uttar Pradesh. From Ayodhya, UP.
From Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and I have reached FIFO.
From Jaipur, Rajasthan. From Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
From Rajasthan, I have reached FIFO.
From New Delhi, and I have reached FIFO.
From Pune, Maharashtra, and I have reached FIFO.
From Begusai, Bihar.
From Hardoi, Uttar Pradesh.
From Rajasthan, I reached FIFO.
From Hardoi, Uttar Pradesh.
I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
I am from Ahmedabad, I have reached FIFO.
I am from Punjab, and I've reached FIFO. I've reached FIFO. From Haryana, I've reached FIFO.
From Andhra Pradesh, I've reached FIFO. From West Bengal, Durgapur.
From Bihar, Rajgir. From Hardoi, Uttar Pradesh.
From Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and I have reached FIFO. I am from Maharashtra.
From Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh.
From Bangalore, Karnataka, I've reached FIFO.
From Bihar, Sitamarhi.
From Bihar.
From Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh.
From Bihar, Matiyari.
From Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and I have reached Far Eastern Federal University.
From Uttar Pradesh, and I came from Noida.
From Bihar, Begusai, I reached FIFO.
From Bangalore, Karnataka.
From Pune, Maharashtra, I have reached FIFO.
From Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. From Rajasthan, Alwar.
From Ajmer, Rajasthan.
From Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh.
From West Bengal.
From West Bengal, Kolkata.
From Gujarat, Surat.
From Surat, Gujarat.
I'm from Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. I'm from Rajkot, Gujarat. I have reached FIFO. From Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. From Maharashtra, Pune.
From Jharsuguda, Odisha.
From Bihar, India, and I have reached FIFO. From Maharashtra, Jalgaon. From Bihar, Begusai.
From Uttar Pradesh, Muradabad. From Bihar.
From Karnataka.
From Jharkhand, Jamshedpur.
From Ajmer, Rajasthan.
From Andhra Pradesh.
From Maharashtra, Ahmednagar.
From Madhya Pradesh.
From New Delhi.
From Sonipat, Haryana.
From Sarsa, Bihar.
From Sonipat, Haryana.
From Bangalore, Karnataka.
From Kerala, and I reached FIFO.
I'm from India, and state is Karnataka.
From Nashik, Maharashtra.
From Maharashtra, Mumbai. From Uttarakhand,
Rudrapur city, and I have reached FIFO. From Maharashtra, Thane.
From Maharashtra, Navi Mumbai. From Rajasthan, Biawar. From Uttarakhand, Rudrapur.
From Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. From Maharashtra.
From Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
From Chalisgarh, Maharashtra.
From Rohtak, Haryana, and I have reached FIFO.
From New Delhi.
From Nagaur, Rajasthan. From Uttar Pradesh, Pilibhit. From Shahdipur, Uttar Pradesh.
From Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra.
From Nagpur, Maharashtra. From
Delhi. From Meerut, Uttar Pradesh.
From Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh.
From Araria, Bihar. I have reached FIFO. From New Delhi. From Nagpur, Maharashtra. From Karnataka, Davangere.
From New Delhi, I have reached FIFO. Gaya, Bihar. From Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
From Jajpur, Odisha, and I have reached FIFO.